of a star.
Please note, the following life cycle of a star applies to stars with a larger mass than our Sun.
Nebula. The nebula is a cloud of dust and gas pulled together by strong gravitational forces.
Protostar. The dense regions in the star collapse due to gravity. This increases the temperature and the centre of the protostar becomes hotter. Initially, the gravitational energy of the collapsing star is its source of energy. Once the star contracts enough that its central core can burn hydrogen to helium, a main sequence star is formed.
Main sequence star. A main sequence star is the stage where nuclear fusion takes place. This is when hydrogen and helium atoms fuse together. Stars have a limited supply of hydrogen and eventually the hydrogen gas runs out. When this happens, the star becomes cold and starts to expand.
Super-red giants. If the star has a larger mass than our Sun, it becomes a super-red giant. Once a super-red giant runs out of fuel, it becomes unstable and collapses. It then blows its outer layer in an explosion called a supernova. Some supernovae can last for weeks.
Supernova. A supernova is a stellar explosion that briefly outshines an entire galaxy, radiating as much energy as the Sun, before fading from view over several weeks or months.
Neutron star. If the star was not massive and has a low density, the star will result in a neutron star.
Black hole. If the star was massive and has a high density, it will result in a black hole.
Here's a quick recap. It starts with a nebula, then a protostar, then a main sequence star, after it becomes a super-red giant, then a supernova, and it can either end in a neutron star or a black hole depending on how big the star was. Thank you.